Welcome to my honest review of Rock Hair Transplant Miami, one of the top places to get a hair transplant in Miami. If you're considering a hair transplant or other treatments for alopecia, this review is for you. I'll take you through my experience with the website, the services they offer, and the results of the procedures they provide. From the moment I visited the site, I was impressed with its clean layout and user-friendly interface. Navigating through the different sections of the site was straightforward, and the information was clearly laid out, which made it easy to understand what services were available and what steps I needed to take to get started. The site also offers a detailed overview of hair restoration treatments, including FUE and FUT techniques, making it a great resource for anyone researching options for hair loss treatment. The booking process was fairly simple, and the site provided all the necessary details about consultations, pricing, and the expected recovery process. However, I did notice that there could be a bit more transparency around pricing, as some treatments weren't listed clearly, which might leave potential patients wondering about the overall cost of the procedures. During my consultation, I had the chance to speak with one of the specialists, who was very knowledgeable about the different hair transplant methods. They explained the process in great detail and addressed all of my questions, which made me feel confident in the decision to move forward with the treatment. The website also offers a blog section that discusses hair restoration tips, success stories, and patient testimonials. While this content was helpful, I would have liked to see more in-depth articles or even video content showcasing the results of the procedures. Overall, Rock Hair Transplant Miami has a lot to offer for those seeking hair restoration solutions. The service is professional, and the clinic seems to be well regarded in the Miami area. I'd recommend giving them a try if you're looking for personalized hair loss treatments or need help figuring out what's best for your hair restoration needs. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tips on hair restoration and other treatments.